Hi, in this video we are going to see the university's recruitment notifications, and here the assistant professor as well as the other vacancies are also there. So the interested candidates who are having the post graduation or else the PhD. So for all these candidates here the opportunities are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications with only post graduation or else with PhD. It will be very good news to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and give me one like for this video. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the 4 universities recruitment notification. Present content of the video. So here the first one we are going to see, that is University of Hyderabad. And this notification came on 9th July 2021. So applications are invited in the prescribed format along with the copies of educational qualifications and experience from the eligible candidates for the post of Office Manager, Program Manager in the Office of Controller of Examinations under the Institution of Eminence. Okay. And here the total 4 vacancies are there for OBC 1, SC 1, EWS 1 and under the unreserved category 1 vacancy. And the minimum qualification is post graduation or else the MBA from any recognized university or reputed institution with experience of office management, familiarity with various packages of data entry organizations, maintenance, sharing of files or documents and internet technology, good oral and written communications in skill, in English is mandatory. Knowledge of coding and programming will be added advantage. The duties and responsibilities are given here. And coming to the emoluments is 30,000 rupees per month. It is the consolidated. And the duration, all appointments are made up for 1 year and can be extendable after a performance review every 6 months. Only candidates who fit into the objectives of the project will be called for the interview. That means here the selection will be directly based upon the interview, guys, no written test here. And all the eligible candidates may apply in the prescribed format enclosed to the Deputy Registrar Academic and Exams, University of Hyderabad, Professor C.R. Rao Road, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, or via email drae@uohyd.ac.in. And whatever the envelope you are sending, on that envelope you have to superscribe application for the post of Office Manager or Program Manager in the Office of COE, UOH under IOE. The same should be mentioned in the subject line of the email also. The last date is 23rd July 2021. Okay. And intimation will be sent via email only, and the TADA will not be paid for attending the interview. So it is the notification from the University of Hyderabad. And here they mentioned the post graduation. Okay, whether it is any post graduation or only MBA, so we don't know that one. So you have to clarify yourself. And coming to the next one is Delhi Skills and Entrepreneurship University. So empowerment of visiting faculty on short-term appointment. And applications are invited from eligible candidates for employment as visiting faculty on short-term appointment in various courses of Delhi Skills and Entrepreneurship University as per the details. The courses are BA Aesthetic and Beauty Therapy BBA, Bachelor in Computer Applications in BCom, BSc, BA, BMS E-Commerce, BBA Facilities and Hygiene Management, BMS Land Transportation, BSc Medical Lab Technology, BBA Retail Management, BA Spanish, BTech Entrepreneurship and Innovation, MCA, MTech Soft Skills courses. Fine. So these are things, guys. And applicant must have the requisite educational qualification and experience, bachelor's in relevant field with at least 60% of marks and 12 years of experience, and master's level in the relevant field with at least 60% of marks and 8 years of teaching or industry experience, or the PhD in the relevant field and 3 years of teaching or industry experience must be there. Fine. So these are all the minimum qualifications, guys. And here the for those applying with industry experience, the applicant must have worked at least 3 years in the field related to core subject. The honorarium of 50,000 rupees will be paid per month, guys, to the faculty. Okay, so here few more conditions are given here. How many contact hours are there? So you have to check down. And the candidates are required to apply on the following link. So it is a Google form, guys. You have to directly apply through this one, and there is no fee also. If you are having any queries, then here the mail ID is also provided. So you can simply put your query to this provided mail ID. Fine. So for this one, no application fee. And while coming to this one also, there is no application fee. Fine. University of Hyderabad. And the next one is Don Bosco University from Assam. So here for the post of Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor in the departments of Civil Engineering, English, Social Work, Psychology, Master of Business Administration and Public Administration. So each and every department one vacancy is there, and the eligibility and all these things as per the UGC and the AICTE norms. The last date is 25th July 2021. Nothing payment is there and no application fee. The test mode, that means you will directly call for the interview. Based upon the interview, the selection process will be done. And if you want to apply for this one, just click on this apply button and then you can apply for this one, guys. And I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. And coming to the next one is from Birla Global University. So from this one, the Management, Commerce, Communication, School of Law, Social Science and Humanities, Computer Science. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, then you may send your resume to the provide mail ID, guys. That means how to apply means eligible candidates are requested to send the hard copies of CVs along with the filled in application form enclosed to Mr. S. N. Misra, General Manager, okay, Bhubaneswar. CV along with filled in application form. So you can download by clicking here. The application form may also be emailed. That means you have to email and you have to send the hard copy on or before 17th July 2021. So for this one also no application fee. So finally, these are all the 4 different universities, guys. No application fee. Simply send through the send the hard copy or else the email. Okay, whatever the process, or else the Google Forms, whatever the process they mentioned in their official website. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means Commerce and General Paper on Teaching, Management, Computer Science and Application, Political Science, History, Economics, Practice and Strategy, Sociology, Labor Welfare, English, Language and Education, Geography, Law, Hindi, Psychology, Public Administration, Electronic Science, Environmental Science, Home Science and Philosophy, Tourism, Admin and Management, Mass Communication and Journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and Anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the General Paper 1 as well as the Electronic Science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWYNIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.